Hi, I've gotten some questions about how to see the feedback on any of the essays or quizzes or anything. Um, so I'm going to show you an example of how to see the feedback in your quizzes. So this goes for any quiz, okay? Not just my supplemental activities. So you're going to come up here. Um, so I'm imitating a student right now. Um, you can just go to activities and quizzes like you always do and go find the quiz that you're looking for, and it doesn't matter which one it is, as long as you've clicked on submit at the end, then there will be sub submissions. So you can download down or click the down arrow and then click on submissions. Okay. So then it'll show you all your attempts, okay, and your score. And I try to score the hot one that's the highest grade if I've allowed you to have more than one attempt. On the supplemental activities, I allow you to have as many attempts as you want. Okay, so I'm going to click on attempt one to see the feedback and where I've gotten things wrong. So I click here, and here's the supplemental activity. And here it says answer student ID, but if I want to see the feedback, answer student ID. We match. D2L says we match. And then from here, it will give you how many points you've gotten on a particular assignment. And in some cases, it's a written response, or you have to do an activity in a separate file, database file, and so you wouldn't see anything here as far as grading is concerned, but you can look at the feedback and see what it says, okay? And you can come down here and like, for example, I gave this student, quote unquote student, 2 out of 2, which means that in a separate database file, they must have done what they were supposed to do. And then we come down here and it asks, it says set a student ID as a property key save like table what happens, and so then you're writing, you're clicking on the correct answer, and if it's correct it'll be checked, but if it's not correct, like this one, this one will say that this is the incorrect response and that this one was the one you were supposed to respond. Okay. And again, if you want to see the feedback, you can look here and see what information is that's trying to be displayed to tell you what the correct answer was. And let's see, is there anything else I want to tell you? All right, so at the bottom of this one, you were supposed to do some writing. And I can get this to work. Okay. Again, you'll do writing here to answer your question, to answer the question. And then here, I'll give feedback. And I only wrote one sentence. And it says need more input is my response. So hopefully this can help you to understand or to see where you made your mistakes and correct them for future reference and learn from them. Okay, hopefully that helps you to understand how to get the feedback. And then when you're done, you can just click on done and it'll take you back here. And then you can click here to see a list of all the quizzes. Okay, there you go.